Do you ever feel like you wish you were a better adjuster? Or do you ever wonder, how do I get better? Maybe you're done school, maybe you're still in chiropractic college, maybe you've finished chiropractic college, but you still feel like you haven't had your hands on enough people to really get your skill to the level that you feel confident. Well, guess what? I'm Dr. Anita Hawk, and being in practice for the last 16 years, small female, 115 pounds, 5'1", diversified adjustments that I've been given to patients, I too, like you, had the same fears, intimidations, and had to work on not only my adjustment skills as a small female to better my body and my patients' spines, of course, but I had to really get good at figuring out what are those little tips and tricks that are really going to push the envelope in giving a really amazing adjustment every single time. I'm going to share that with you now. I am now putting together and offering and inviting you to join me if you are struggling like I used to become a better adjuster than you ever have. Learn real tricks and tips with a monthly course where you can see a breakdown video of all of my adjustments, how I do it, plus a monthly call where you can see me live and ask your questions, and we can hone in on specifically your adjustment struggles and things that you want to work on. So this course that I'm now offering is a very low price, a small cost to invest into your own career, into your success, that I know will pay you back tenfold plus. So be sure you register for the course today, because the longer you wait, the longer you're getting behind on helping the world and helping your patients get better. I'll see you there. Can't wait to work with you.